All right, bring it back slow. Clear on this side, keep coming. And stop, right there.
The big one looks ready to move. Noted. I'll clear the chute.
Easy now, easy. Keep them coming down the middle. All right, big boy, watch your step.
Steady down the ramp. Clear the chute, we've got 3 more coming.
Push them through, don't let them bunch up. Yeah, yeah. Get in there.
Bison 7 marked for transfer to level 3. Confirmed. Bullforge database updated.
Move up, keep it tight. Gate 3 secure. Next one. Check the weight on this one, 7240. Looks healthy. Log it as Bullforge 7240. This one's ready for transfer to the south pasture. Okay, I'll update the manifest on the tablet.
Look at how quickly they're clearing this section. It's much faster than the old system. We should increase the volume tomorrow.
The intake levels for Group C look stable after the supplement change. Good. Let's update the projection for the next quarter.
Make sure that side is level. Got it, almost there. We'll stop right there by those trees.
Got it. All right, move up, get in there. Keep that line tight, almost through.
That one right there, the big bull on the left. Check its tag against the manifest.
Pressure looks stable at 1200 psi. Efficiency is holding steady. We can reduce flow now.
We need to push the herd towards the south gate. Keep an eye on that bull in the center. Move up, move up. Get the gate ready. Closing the gate now. Clear the area. We're still seeing residue on the flanks. Increase the pressure on the final rinse. All right, adjusting the flow now.
Subject Gamma seems comfortable with the current steam flow.
Agreed. Vitals are steady across the board.
Look at the contours here, right near the center.
Yeah. Yes, the thickness is slightly irregular there, noted.
Look here, this spot won't hold the die.
Okay, circling it now. I'm marking this tear right here.
Okay.
Okay, make sure the count is accurate before it moves on.
Move up, move up. Watch the gate, push them through. Keep the pressure steady on that last hide. Got it, looks good now.
The coverage looks good on this one. Yeah. Yeah, the flow rate seems steady now.
Thumbs up on the flow rate. Looks good, keep it steady.
I've increased the pressure by 10 psi.
Perfect, the coverage is much better now. The agitation seems low on the far side. I just adjusted the flow rate. It should pick up now.
Keep an eye on the humidity levels near the center. I just bumped the temperature up slightly. We should be fine. We should be fine. The detail on the grain looks perfect. Okay.
Yeah, the calibration held up. Let's start the next sheet.
See the detail here. We should grade this as premium.
Okay, I've made a note. This one feels good too.
Looks good. Consistent finish across the bevel.
Yes, the surface polish is excellent. Ready for the next one.
Switches engaged. Clear! Pressing!
25 of the polished cups.
Got it. 25 logged.
Final check passed on this one.
Noted. We're clear to continue.
If you look at the tablet, the Q3 projections are solid.
Yeah. Even with the new line running.
Yes, exactly. So let's maintain this pace through the shift.
Keep the line moving. We need these out by 3.
Almost done here, just waiting on the lift truck.